Hello, everyone. Today I am sharing with you a Tablescape collaboration. The host of this fabulous collaboration is At Home with Mary. On Mary's channel, she does tablescapes, thrifting, and a lot of things around the home. Also, her co host is Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. On Tammy's channel, she does home decor, tablescapes, renovations, and fabulous unconventional DIYs. Now, this tablescape is a blast to the past tablescape. The details of this tablescape is to create a table from the eras of 1960s, 70s, 80s, or the 90s, and let it completely reflect that era. Let it be centered around that year. Now, the rules are to be subscribed to the host and the co-host. Please mention their channel in your video as well as in the description box. Please add the playlist, title your video Blast to the Past. Use the hashtag Blast to the Past 2020. Upload your video July 1st. Add your video to the playlist and have some fun. Now that we have that squared away, let's get into this video. All right, like I said before, we are to use things in the 90s, the 80s, the 70s, or the 60s. Yes, I said it backwards. I too much don't have them type of items, but I did go in my stash and found some items that I've thrifted. These plates here are from the 1969. It is the Sweetheart Rose set by Johann Haviland. And my napkin rings are KPM Brazilian, and they were back in 1970. And my Libby Gold Leaf frosted tumblers, they are from 1977. So I began at the end of 69 into 77. So everything is not quite blast to the past, but it is some old and vintage items. So sit back and relax, and I will talk to you in a moment. If you made it this far, I want to say thank you for checking out my video. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continuous support. And as I'm speaking of support, please go over to Miss Mary at Home with Mary and Tammy, Me, Myself, and DIY's channel. Please also click onto the playlist and check out all the participants' video. Thank you guys for stopping by, and thank you Mary and Tammy for hosting this blast to the past. I will see you guys in my next video.